When choosing from the many weight loss surgery options, Fort Worth TX dwellers face a lot of dilemma. This is because everyone wants something that will be effective for a long time. This is especially important for those who have tried using other methods, such as dieting or working out without success. You could therefore get help in these procedures. There are useful tips you can use when choosing which surgery option to go for. However, the first thing you need to do is seek the advice of an expert. This should be a surgeon who has a lot of experience in the area. They are able to answer all your questions and give you information on each of the choices available. This will help you make an informed decision. Each of these procedures has different modes of working. Therefore, you should consider this when picking one. There are such as the gastric sleeves that limit the amount of food you can eat at any given time. This is done by reducing the size of the stomach. On the other hand, there are those such as the gastric bypass that limit the amount of food you can take and that can be absorbed. This determines how your body will change after the procedure. Gastric sleeve does not change the digestion process. All it does is reduce the size of the stomach. However, with gastric bypass, there are types of food you will not be able to digest properly. They will not be digested, thus limiting your nutrient intake. There are procedures that can help you improve conditions such as diabetes, heart conditions, and sleep apnea. These are relieved to a certain extent, and you should make a decision based on the problem you want resolved. Therefore, you do not just focus on losing weight, but also improving your general health. Some people may also think about reversibility when choosing weight loss options. When you do not want something permanent, go for those that are reversible later on, such as gastric banding. This means that after you have your weight under control, you can have the band removed. However, some procedures like gastric bypass are irreversible. Any medical procedure always has some amount of risk associated with it. However, it is possible to go for those that have lower risk levels. The best are those that are minimally invasive and do not involve many incisions. These are also beneficial since there is reduced healing time and you can be back on your feet in no time. The costs can also be prohibitive in some cases and guide your choice. It is best to ask for the cost of each and determine the length of hospital stay after. This will give you a rough idea of how much you are going to spend in total. Therefore, you choose one that you will afford. Having all the above in mind is important when picking from the different weight loss surgery options for Worth TX. Nonetheless, it is best if you get some input from your family doctor. Since they have your medical history, they can help improve your decision.